omelet.
Hi, everyone. I'm glad to see you again. Are you having fun with 80 foods? That's nice to hear. This time we will learn about omelets. Look at the picture. The egg is called an omelet. Bread is next to the omelet. It's time to begin. Let's study some words.
Beat. If we beat food, we stir the food fast. In the picture, someone beats eggs with chopsticks. We can also say the eggs are beaten by someone. Rice. Rice is a grain, like wheat. We steam or fry rice to eat it. This picture shows steamed rice. We also make cake with rice. Rice cake is sticky.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Rice. Beet.
Now you'll read a story and then do a quiz.
Do you like eggs? How about omelets? The picture shows an omelet. It is made of beaten eggs. Ham and cheese are cooked with the eggs. You can add other ingredients as well. Rice omelets are also popular in some countries. People also eat omelets with sauce. Tomato sauce and creamy cheese sauce are popular. What food or sauce would you put in your omelet?
What is the main ingredient in an omelette? Eggs. Rice. What is true? Rice is a popular omelette sauce. Some people eat ham and cheese omelettes.
What ingredients do you like in your omelet? My favorite ingredients are cheese, bacon, and tomatoes. This is the end of our class today. Goodbye.